Evening, I'm Assad Ahmed. Thousands of children who were born in London to parents from overseas have been found to be facing the possibility of deportation because they're classified as undocumented. Well, the scale of the issue is huge, highlighted in a report commissioned by the Mayor of London. It found there are over 200,000 undocumented children in Britain, with around half of them living right here in London. Our reporter Mark Ashdown has been speaking to some of the children it affects.
Break time at Surrey Square Primary School in Southwark. Some kids are more on the outside than you might realise. Friends Covenant, Abdul and Ishmat were all born in London, but because their parents are migrants, they don't automatically get British citizenship.
I feel like an outsider because I was born here, but they didn't treat me British.
No, it's not fair at all.
Do you feel British?
No.
Today's report shows there are tens of thousands of children across London in a similar situation. And what it means is when they reach the age of 18, if they don't secure the correct documentation, they can have all sorts of problems applying for university, getting a driving licence, opening a bank account or accessing healthcare. In a worse case, they could face being deported to their parents' home country, a country they may never even have ever visited.
It's really heartbreaking actually when you see children in this situation, because they absolutely are British, they feel British, they were born here, it's the only country they've ever known, they've never been out of the country.
Some countries like America, Canada and Latvia automatically grant citizenship if someone's born there. Most though have some sort of criteria, and if met, registration costs vary. In Belgium and France it's free, but there's a charge in Holland and Germany. In the UK, someone has to live here 10 years to register, which costs upwards of £1,000. Hugely expensive then for parents like Kafalat, a single mum with 4 kids.
I've managed to do the 3 children now. I've got one and mine left, like a renewing process, you know. So we haven't gone through that. We're still looking for money, and the challenge in the all renewing